Yung basement ko, gawang-gawa niyo. Buto may ilaw kaya?
Gawang-gawa niyo. Ano ma'am, nagkamali kayo, nagkakilala tayo eh. Lahat ano eh. Malang pagkakamali kasi lahat. Nauusog lahat eh. Kaya hindi ako tumatawag kay Ate Christy kasi ko naman baka makipag-ihip na tayo.
Tawagan mo na kaya ngayon. Baka nagbago ang isipan nila, hindi namin sila pupunta.
Tawagan mo nga.
Para... clear na.
Go.
Ito.
Oy, oy.
Talaga naman
Are
ang
they
grabe.
speaking Japanese?
Oy, oy, oy! No, you don't do that!
Oy, oy. Who's that? Oy, oy, back!
Were you speaking Japanese?
Oy, oy, back up!
Oy, oy, oy!
Back up!
In a great tree on a great cliff in the moors lived one such spirit. You might take her for a girl, but she was not just any girl. She was a fairy.
The word, Raphael.
I'll take a double triple grimace shake on a Giat, 4x4 Sigma style, extra condial dingles with your skibidi and a squeeze, light dough higher grease, make it edge, rizz it and let it to mew.
What the Sigma?
Random stuff. We're trying to do the same thing.
I'll take a double triple grimace shake on a Giat, 4x4 Sigma style, extra condial dingles with your skibidi and a squeeze, light dough higher grease,
Wait, you did
make
it wrong.
edge, rizz it and let it to mew.
What the Sigma?
I'll take a double triple grimace shake on a Giat, 4x4 Sigma style, extra condial dingles with your skibidi and a squeeze, light dough higher grease, make it edge, rizz it and let it to mew.
What the Sigma?
Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. La 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 la. Shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink.
Wait, not yet.
When I
Wait, tell me when.
you could just go.
Hey, bro. Ako matutulog na. Bahala ka doon kay mama. Huwag akong wag ako.
Twerking battle. Noob twerk. That's not noob twerk.
Oh.
Twerk battle. Noob twerk. Pro twerk. Extreme twerk. Skibbity twerk. Skibbity moves on twerk. Newing twerk. I know newing skibbity moves on twerk. Mysterious Kokoshibo Doma twerk.
I didn't know.
Very, very scary Nakime twerk. Very scary Nakime twerk. Oh my, that is so scary.
Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. Swalla la la.
Houseful. Ngayon, ano naman ko, ano bibili ko mga booklet? Oo, ano, online ba ako? Or ganito ba ako? Nalilito na ako sa ano. Eh, ginusto mo yan eh. Kasi Pero in fairness ready sila. Ready siya. Sinayali special.
Okay, baby. Oh, what are you
Nagulat
doing?
nga ako, sabi niya.
Doing jujitsu?
Sabi ko, ano?
Bro, what is it?
Sabi
Yeah,
ko,
anime school,
school. Kasi hindi ko nasabi
Ay,
ko
what?
school.
Oh, bro, who are you trying to
Yes,
flip off,
mami,
bro?
nagagawa na ako ng schedule ko. Ha? Nagulat ako. Basta isip, nagulat ako.
Oh.
Okay, ate,
trying to flip someone
Hindi
else.
ako naman na ano, tawag dito na pressure. Teka na, ready na sila.
Ay, what's about anime symbols
Hindi
that?
pa ako ready. Picture nyo, teka na. Aligagano ako, punta ako doon kahapon sa kakilala ko nag-homeschool. Kalig na ako,
bro,
mali mo
wait.
ang curriculum nila. Oo na,
Oh,
pwede
just
na
turn
rin,
it
ganyan.
off.
Pwede na rin, ganyan. Pwede na rin, ganyan. Pwede na rin, ganyan. Pwede na rin, ganyan. Diyos ko, Mario, kasi kaya nasa computer ako, nagbuka siya na.
I love you, Dada.
Hindi ko naman alam na, hindi ko naman alam na dadaan kayo.
Kasi text na, sabi ko, doon na lang tayo kung sino nandun.
Buti lang nandito ako. Kasi hindi na alam nila kung saan niya kukunin yung...
Christine niya, dati kumain siya doon, sabi niya,
Oh, what's that?
kwento sila Rafael, sabi ko,
Is that rice, bro? What is rice? Ah! Oh, no, delicious, delicious.
Tapos sabi niya, hindi siya Sky sila, hindi yun Sky.
I don't know.
Sabi naman sa kanya ng AJ.
That's what AJ
Ano
said.
sabi mo na AJ? Hindi, ano siya?
Bill.
Ano to? Oo, banda to sa...
You don't have your money.
Naku,
Favoritism.
hindi na rin pala tayo magkakakita.
That's favoritism.
Civic na rin pala. Kaya kita na lang natin.
Maybe you like me better, right? Like me?
Alas busy.
Hug, hug.
Sabi niya mag-set up ng
Aw.
mag-set up tayo.
See? Baby likes
Pag nasa
me.
bahay ako, once
Sige pa nga, may ano daw pa challenge. Pupunta daw ng DQ. Ang rare at saka rare mom. Eh, ano sila, nandito na nag-sleepover eh. Di Saturday. Nagpapa, parang hindi pa napapagod ang mga friends. Sige, labas tayo kung tayo shopper. Lakad siya, ganda.